Dosh review. Okay, so this is a really cool app here that you automatically get cash back for just for syncing your debit card or credit card to the app. I've been using it for about 6 months now, and I get money back just shopping as I normally do. Let's take a look at it. There's a referral code in the description below. It's GregK21 is the referral code. You will get $5 instantly when you sign up and link your debit card if you use my code. And then you can refer friends as well and get $5 for each of those referrals. So we'll both get $5 if you use my referral code, and then you can share it with other friends, make YouTube videos like this one, whatever you want to do to promote it. But let's take a look at this. So cash back automatically. It's not points. It's not coupons, just cold hard cash. And that's how it works. Very, very simple to set up. I set it up, like I said, 6 months ago about. I completely forgot about it. I get notifications usually when I shop at the stores here on this list, and I'll show you there's a lot of stores. Chances are you shop at most of these places. Anyways, so basically you just connect your card with a secure link to your credit card or debit card. Whenever you pay with your linked cards, Dosh gets you cash back. And by the way, I shop with Apple Pay all the time, and my debit card is linked to Apple Pay. And even when I use Apple Pay, it's technically using that card, so I get cash back for that as well. And it's very cool. Shop and dine out. Pay with your linked card at thousands of stores and restaurants and get up to 10% cash back automatically in your Dash wallet. Get paid to refer friends. As I said, you get $5 for each person who signs up with your your secret code. Not secret, but your referral code. And then you can transfer your cash directly to your bank account, PayPal, or even donate the money to charity straight from the app. This is some of the stores here, just on the bottom here. World Market, Sam's Club, Pier 1 Imports, Pizza Hut, Payless. There's a lot of them. Dunkin', Sephora, and so many, many more. Let's take a look at some of the reviews here that it's been getting. So this is on the iOS store here, and we have 97,000 reviews, which is pretty cool. And here's some other stores too: Old Navy, Walgreens, Uber, Wendy's, Grubhub, Home Depot, Gap, Apple Music. And 4.7 out of 5. Again, that's almost 100,000 reviews. So definitely an app you're going to want to check out. And on Android, we have about 37,000 reviews. And we have a 4.5 out of 5. Usually there's some bad reviews as well, but that's, on average, it's a very high ranking. So really, really cool app, ladies and gentlemen. I mentioned this before in some of my other videos, some of my blog posts and stuff like that. All you got to do is sign up, link your card, set it and forget it, and that's it. And you get money back. I've been doing it for 6 months. It's awesome. There's nothing else to do with it. It's plain and simple. Anyways, folks, like I said, use my referral code GregK21. When you sign up, there'll be a link in the video description below as well to get right to the page to download it. And you'll get an instant $5 when you link your card. So that is all for today. Please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Check out my hundreds of other videos on my channel. And I'll talk to you soon.